Choosing the appropriate graphics card can be difficult, especially when each choice promises incredible performance, amazing visuals, and next-level gaming. Whether you're building a new PC, upgrading an existing one, or simply wanting smoother gameplay and better images, the GPU you choose can radically transform your experience. Today's list has something for everyone, from powerful cards designed for 4K gaming and creative work to low-cost solutions and critical extras that boost your setup. We've selected the top graphics cards and display solutions available right now based on performance, functionality, dependability, and real-world usability. So whether you're an avid gamer, a casual player, or simply want to upgrade your PC, let's get started and locate the best options for you. Number 7. Asus TUF. The Asus TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 has the sense of a graphics card that you install once and then forget about it, because it simply works and continues to operate. Built on NVIDIA's new Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, it provides a significant boost in performance and intelligent upscaling, allowing games to look sharper and operate smoother without having to continuously modify settings. With 12 GB of GDDR7 RAM and fast clock speeds, it can handle recent games, high-resolution, and even creative jobs. What really stands out is how overpowered this card appears. Asus employs military-grade components and a robust PCB coating, so it can withstand heat, dust, and extended gaming sessions without breaking a sweat. A large 3.125 slot heatsink and 3 axial tech fans provide cooling, as does a phase-change thermal pad that outlasts typical thermal paste. The result is generally excellent temperatures and silent operation, though the card's size requires a large enclosure. Asus additionally reinforces the GPU with a strong bracket and GPU guard to prevent sagging or stress damage, which is a good touch for such a large card. The Auto Extreme manufacturing method increases long-term dependability, while the GPU Tweak 3 software simplifies performance tuning and temperature monitoring. The only significant drawbacks are its enormous footprint and the fact that all of its toughness and cooling makes it a little unwieldy. Still, if you're looking for a strong, rugged, and trustworthy graphics card that's made to last, this one fits the bill. Number 6. Gigabyte. The Gigabyte Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC feels like a graphics card designed for folks who want high performance without having to worry about temps or noise. Right away, 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 RAM provides plenty of space for modern games, high-resolution textures, and even creative work. With its high boost clocks, it can easily push demanding titles, and PCIe 5.0 support ensures that it is ready for current and future systems. One of the most notable features here is the Gigabyte's wind force cooling technology. It employs their Hawk fan design in conjunction with server-grade thermal conducting gel, which sounds fancy but in practice just means the card remains extremely cool under stress. Most of the time it is also relatively quiet, especially if you use the dual BIOS mode to convert to silent mode. On the other hand, in performance mode, the fans can become noticeable when you really push the card, but this is the price you pay for lower temperatures and longer-lasting performance. The build quality is strong and premium, and the RGB lighting gives a pleasant visual element without being too flashy. It's also a very large card, so make sure your case has adequate space and airflow. Overall, the RX 9070 XT Gaming OC hits a good balance between strong performance, superb cooling, and handy features like dual BIOS, with the only significant drawbacks being its size and the occasional fan noise when you're looking for maximum performance. Number 5. Acer RX. The Acer RX 588GB is one of those graphics cards that demonstrates that you don't always need the latest hardware to enjoy PC gaming. Built on AMD's Polaris architecture, it is 2048 stream processors and a full 8GB of GDDR5 RAM, which is sufficient for esports titles, older AAA games, and even some newer ones if you're prepared to alter the settings. It supports DirectX 12 and can handle resolutions up to 4K, making it more visually adept than you might expect for a card in this price range. A wonderful bonus is the port selection. With 2 display ports and 1 HDMI, you can simply run a dual monitor setup, and the image quality remains sharp and colorful thanks to good contrast and consistent frame delivery. Performance is generally smooth and constant, but don't anticipate high settings in the current demanding games. This card is about constant playable frame rates rather than brute power. It also performs admirably in terms of cooling. The clever fan system may entirely turn off the fans when the card is under light load, making everyday use quiet and extending the card's lifespan. When gaming, the fans do spin up and you can hear them, but the temperatures remain under control. Power-wise, it employs a single 8-pin connector and fits into a conventional dual-slot space, making installation simple. However, a sufficient power source is required. Overall, the RX 580 is a practical, no-frills GPU, solid features, quiet in daily usage, and dependable for 1080p gaming, with the only drawbacks being its older architecture and low performance in newer, more demanding games. Number 4. PNY. The PNY GeForce RTX 5070 EpicX ARGB OC is a graphics card that aims to strike a mix between raw power, useful features, and a sleek, modern design. Built on NVIDIA's new Blackwell architecture, it features 12 GB of fast GDDR7 memory and a strong boost clock, making it ideal for modern games and demanding creative work. The actual star of the show is NVIDIA's AI technology, particularly DLSS4, which employs smart upscaling to increase frame rates while maintaining image quality. In practice, this means smoother gameplay without having to continuously adjust graphics settings. Cooling is handled by a triple fan arrangement, which performs an excellent job of keeping temperatures under control even during extended gaming sessions. The card remains rather quiet, but when you really push it, you can hear the fans turn up. The ARGB lighting is a good addition if you want to show off your build, but if you want a discrete PC, it may feel a little flashy. The good news is that despite the triple fan cooler, it maintains a reasonably compact 2.4 slot design and is SFF ready, allowing it to fit in more cases than you may imagine. On the feature front, you get the most recent ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and NVIDIA Reflex, which helps reduce latency and makes games seem more responsive, particularly important in competitive titles. It also excels in creative work thanks to excellent app support and studio drivers. The biggest drawbacks are that it's still a relatively large card and, like most high-performance GPUs, it may consume a significant amount of power when under load. Still, if you're looking for a modern AI-powered GPU that can handle both gaming and artistic tasks, this is an excellent choice. Number 3. Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC 12GB is a well-balanced graphics card built for smooth modern gaming and creative workloads. Powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and equipped with 12GB of high-speed GDDR6 memory, it delivers reliable performance across demanding titles and applications. With support for ultra-high resolutions up to 7680 by 4320, this card is ready for high-resolution gaming, multi-monitor setups, and immersive visual experiences. Designed with a robust gaming OC build, the card offers stable clock speeds and efficient thermal performance in a durable, full-size form factor. Its compact yet capable design fits easily into most gaming systems while maintaining strong airflow and long-term reliability. Whether you're upgrading for better frame rates, ray tracing support, or creative performance, the Gigabyte RTX 3060 Gaming OC provides a solid and future-ready solution for gamers and creators alike. Number 2. Radeon HD. The Radeon HD 5450 1GB is a straightforward graphics card designed for basic PC operations rather than professional gaming. It's based on AMD's HD 5450 CPU and includes 1GB of DDR3 RAM, which is sufficient for common tasks such as office work, video playback, and reviving an outdated PC. One of its most notable features is its low-profile design, which allows it to fit easily into tiny form-factor PCs and HTPC cases where larger cards are incompatible. Its versatility in display outputs makes it very valuable. With HDMI, DVI, and VGA on the card, you can connect it to practically any monitor or TV without the need for adapters. It supports quite high resolutions for its class, making it suitable for basic media installations or multi-monitor office use. It also supports DirectX 11 and OpenGL, which is useful for compatibility with older software. Nevertheless, it should be noted that it is not suitable for recent games or heavy graphics work. On the disadvantage, performance is extremely limited. This card's 625 MHz CPU and small memory bus make it unsuitable for any more than light work or very ancient games. It is also incompatible with Windows 11, which is crucial to note for newer computers. Still, it runs cool, consumes little power, and does not require any additional power hookups. Overall, the HD 5450 is best viewed as a practical display and media card for older or tiny PCs, ideal for simple tasks but unsuitable for gaming or creative workloads. Number 1. Asus Dual Radeon RX 9060 XT. The Asus Dual RX 9060 XT 16GB is built for powerful gaming performance and a compact and efficient design. It features advanced axial tech fans with a smaller hub and longer blades, pairing with a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure for improved cooling. The 2.5 slot design ensures strong thermal performance while maintaining broad case compatibility. With 0 dB technology, the fans remain silent during light workloads, delivering a quiet and comfortable gaming experience when full cooling is not required. Designed for durability and control, this graphics card uses dual ball fan bearings that last significantly longer than traditional designs. A dual BIOS switch allows easy toggling between quiet and performance modes to suit your needs. In OC mode, boost clocks reach up to 3,250 MHz, while the default mode delivers up to 3,230 MHz for stable performance. Powered by the AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and support for ultra-high resolutions up to 7680 by 4320, this Asus card is a reliable choice for modern gaming and high-resolution displays in a sleek, compact form. That concludes our list of the top graphics cards and display solutions for significantly upgrading your gaming or PC setup. Whether you want maximum performance, are on a tight budget, or simply need a dependable upgrade, there is something for everyone. The best option is determined by your requirements, system configuration, and desired level of performance. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the Legit Pick channel for more honest reviews, top picks, and buying advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.